Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. As you can see here, I have my VFR 400. I think this is the first time you guys have actually seen this panel turned on. I did a video a little while ago where I said I was going to be making a demo system with it. I am still going to be doing that, but I'm doing some other projects before that, so yeah, I will be doing stuff with this panel, just not as soon as I was planning on it. For the alarm, we have a Wheelock NS, and this is just set to like the general alarm knack for this thing. And right here we actually have, this is actually a pretty unique pull station. This right here is actually my RSG-1T. As you can see, it's the one with the terminal strips. But this is actually the one I restored. I could probably insert an image of it right there, but that's actually when I got it. If I couldn't find an image, then I'll link the video down below. But this thing was covered in paint, and I had to completely paint all the fire lettering and the pull down lettering. So yeah, this thing basically, it looks like a brand new pull station now, but it was in very bad condition. So let's go ahead and start the test. In 3, 2, 1. That sounds that. And that's gonna, I really dislike the piezo in this. One unique thing with this panel is it actually has like basically keyboard buttons, which are kind of cool, and it has a lot of flashing lights. Alright, so that one, output number 3, is supposed to be the releasing solenoid to like release gas into the room. I don't have that hooked up obviously since I can't pay thousands of dollars for some FM200. Alright, so now we can go ahead and reset the RSG-1T. As you can see, probably can't read it since the camera's not really wanting to focus today, but that's an RSG pull station. Go ahead and put the handle back up. Close it, and we can go ahead and reset the system. One weird thing with this panel is it makes you re-acknowledge every single trouble. So both of these do buzzer sounds. You have to acknowledge all 11 troubles before it'll stop beeping. And the piezo on this thing's very annoying, and it is covered with tape, and it's still very loud too. But yeah, so yeah, that's about it for the system test. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time.